I want to show actually how I get this front bumper done without disassembling anything so that you can reach all the places that you need to reach. This is exactly how you need this taped off. And in a second, I'm going to pull this back over and I'm going to actually go through the process of wrapping this. Now, if this is a different color car, I definitely recommend taking it apart. But when it's black, you don't really need to take it apart. So let's go ahead and go over how we do this. All right, so first things first, we want to bring this across with just like a little cold stretch. We don't want to go too crazy with this yet. Just trying to get it glassed out, see where everything lays. So first things first, we want to come right here and we want to relieve all the tension that's going to come right here. It's already been pulled this way, so now I need to pull it down, and that's going to allow me to squeegee all the way up to that spot right there. So let's get this laid in here a little bit, and we'll heat this up. Give that a nice little pull down. And what that did was help go ahead and hug this area and pull all the tension out. So now that I got that, I can lift it up a little bit, give it some heat. We're not really gonna get a lot of wrinkles now. So now I can go ahead and squeegee that all the way to the back. Got this area here, only like 1 or 2 soft wrinkles. If it's soft wrinkles, we know we're good. You got a bunch of those little mini hard wrinkles, those cause issues. Soft wrinkles help to bring it all the way to the back. Now I know I got an area that's gonna go back down this way. So now that I got this laid down right here, I just wanna make a relief cut. I'm making my relief cut back towards this way just in case I need to feed any film in. So come from this side and round it off. Now that I got that relief, I can feed it into this area a lot easier. I want to handle these wrinkles right here. So now that I got that off of the edge, I kind of lay this in here with minimal tension. Everything from this body line and out is something we can worry about later. See where we get the tension. So right there, I'm starting to get tension. I know that I need to relieve tension. So let's go ahead and trim a little bit of this out. Not too far down, because you still need to know where stuff is gonna lie. So we'll go about right there. We'll heat this whole area up. And we'll go ahead and feed that in right there. We can feed this in on this side. Now the main purpose is to know where we could trim on this side. So we could give tension relief right here. So now I could go ahead and trim this because I know I'm still gonna give myself a little bit of wiggle room. So we're gonna trim up higher. Now that we got that, pop this back up a little bit. Heat up this whole area. Gonna get a lot of tension around here. Just want to trim it down a little bit more. And go ahead and bring this across. More heat. Normally what I like to do is I like to trim right above this area. Now I can lift this piece up with my thumb and tuck the vinyl up underneath it. And we know we got full coverage because we literally tucked it underneath. Come down here and trim all of this. Tuck that in. Lay that down. A little post heat. I'm gonna move them all outwards, away from the fender as much as possible, because we could deal with that later. So just want to go back and forth, fighting the wrinkles off. We can stretch it this way. Give it a little heat. Let it hug how it wants to. So now we can give this area some heat. Now we can stretch it outwards. Make sure you get that tucked underneath. And that's how I do it pretty much. Just want to make sure you go back, post heat everything. Make sure you got nothing wrinkling back out. Especially in this area right here where it's a lot of tension. We just want to post heat to make sure it stays down. Get rid of any bubbles we may have left behind. Heat in this area, make sure this isn't wrinkling out. And if everything looks good, man, you wipe it down with alcohol and you're good to go. See you guys next time. And if everything looks good, man, you just wipe it down with alcohol and then you're good to go. See y'all next time.